Hi there, my name is Nat Nathan from the Piccadilly Circus company, and I'm here in the Juggling studios in Cornwall to bring you a very quick video on how to throw columns with 3 balls. Okay, this is a column. So to get started, you need to do this exercise. You need to do it first in your preferred hand. Having learnt it in your preferred hand, you transfer it to your weaker hand. Please note that this is not an outward circle, which you would use for training for 4 balls, but 2 individual columns, making a virtual V shape. And to do that, you'll find yourself moving your hand to your body, away from your body, to your body, and away from your body. If you watch the slow motion, you'll see what I mean. Having completed the exercise from both your preferred and your weaker hand, you're ready to throw columns. You can throw them repeatedly from your preferred hand, which you'll find very comfortable after a very short amount of time. Or you can try alternating them between your preferred and your weaker hand like this. Keep throwing those columns. See you again soon.